Nothing Phone 3 is officially on the way, and the company has already started building excitement with its first teaser. The launch is confirmed for July 2025, and the teaser video shared by Nothing on its X account, formerly known as Twitter, hints at something quite interesting. In the video, you can see a pixel-style animation inspired by Pac-Man, where a blocky character moves around consuming dots. This playful clip seems to signal a new dot interface, which could mean a fresh take on the rear display design using dot matrix visuals. The message, New Dots Phone 3, coming July 2025, makes it clear that this time, Nothing's focus might be on reimagining how the back of the phone interacts with users, possibly with a new type of notification system built into the rear panel. While this feels exciting, it's not entirely new. Asus already did something similar with the ROG Phone 9 Pro, offering a back display that could show animations, gaming stats, and even respond to gameplay triggers. But what makes Nothing's idea different is likely its more minimal and artistic approach rather than a gaming-centric one. Another interesting teaser came from one of Nothing's India handles, where a mathematical equation was posted and then cleverly solved by Grok, all thanks to a curious fan who wanted to know more. The solution once again pointed directly to the Nothing Phone 3, keeping the buzz alive. As we get closer to the July 2025 launch, Nothing is clearly stepping up its teaser game. From cryptic visuals to clever interactions, the company is doing everything it can to keep fans engaged and curious. This steady stream of hints and sneak peeks shows that Nothing is carefully building anticipation, much like they did with their earlier releases. Each teaser feels like a puzzle piece, slowly revealing what to expect from the upcoming flagship. So, are you looking forward to the launch? Feel free to share your excitement in the comments below. And if you want early access to exclusive leaks and updates, make sure to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. On the technical side, Nothing hasn't revealed the full spec sheet yet, but leaks suggest that the Phone 3 could run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, and there's even talk, though less likely, that it might use the higher-end Snapdragon 8 Elite. The build quality is expected to remain premium, most likely featuring a mix of metal and glass, and the new Essential key, which was introduced with earlier models, is expected to make a return. Pricing details haven't been officially confirmed either, but Carl Pei did drop a hint during the Android show. He suggested the Phone 3 might cost around 800 euros in Europe, which could mean a price of around 80,000 rupees in India and $1,000 in USA. With the official launch just around the corner and the teaser campaign now underway, the anticipation for Nothing Phone 3 is building fast. It'll be interesting to see how the company balances innovation with practicality this time around. What do you think about this new dot-style back display, and what else would you like to see in the Phone 3? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're excited to see what's next from Nothing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.